In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find the IP address of your Salesforce org. Whether you're troubleshooting issues or simply need to check your Salesforce organization's access details, understanding how to locate your login history is an essential skill. So let's dive in and walk through the process step by step. First, you'll need to log into your Salesforce account and head directly to the home page. Once you're there, you'll notice a range of options available to you. The home page acts as your command center for navigating through Salesforce, so being familiar with this interface can certainly help streamline your workflow. Next, find and click on the Quick Settings icon. You'll typically find this in the upper right corner of the interface. Accessing Quick Settings is your first step toward reaching more detailed configurations in Salesforce. This area is fundamental as it allows you to modify features quickly without having to delve into complex, nested menus. From the Quick Settings menu, your task is to click on Open Advanced Setup. This will redirect you to the deeper setup functions Salesforce offers. Advanced Setup is like a backbone of your system management, offering a wide array of options for customizing your environment. Here, you can address more specific and nuanced configurations, granting you more control and insight into your organization's back-end operations. Once you're in the Advanced Setup area, the next action is to type Login History into the search bar. By doing so, you'll streamline the process of locating the specific area dedicated to tracking access sessions within Salesforce. This search feature is quite powerful and will allow you to quickly filter through an extensive list of setup options to find exactly what you need. After typing in Login History, navigate to the Login History option that appears in the search results. Clicking on it will present a detailed record of all recent login entries for your organization. This is a very valuable resource, especially when attempting to audit and monitor who's accessing your Salesforce environment. Now, as you examine the Login History page, focus on the Source IP column. Here is where you'll find a list of IP addresses associated with the recent login sessions. This is crucial for identifying which devices or locations are attempting connections and can be helpful for security auditing. Notice that we've blurred out our IP address in this demonstration for privacy reasons. Always handle such information carefully to protect your organization's security. By following these steps, you empower yourself to better manage and secure your Salesforce environment by understanding where and how connections to your systems are being made. This insight can help preemptively mitigate security risks and ensure a smoother user experience overall. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to subscribe for more insights and guides on using Salesforce effectively.